Hello there, welcome back to our channel, where we're all about optimizing your driving experience. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of tire longevity and discussing the top 6 common causes of premature wear, along with effective solutions to combat them. So, let's get started. Cause number 1, improper tire inflation. The first major cause of premature tire wear is improper tire inflation. When your tires are underinflated or overinflated, it can lead to uneven wear patterns and reduced tire lifespan. To prevent this, it's crucial to regularly check and maintain the recommended tire pressure levels provided by your vehicle manufacturer. Cause number 2, misaligned wheels. Another significant factor contributing to premature tire wear is wheel misalignment. When your wheels are not properly aligned, it can cause uneven tire wear, leading to a shorter lifespan. Misalignment can cause the tire to wear out faster on one side. To address this issue, it's essential to have your wheels aligned by a professional mechanic regularly. Cause number 3, lack of regular tire rotations. Neglecting regular tire rotations is another common cause of premature wear. Front tires tend to wear differently than rear tires due to variations in weight distribution and steering. By regularly rotating your tires, you can ensure more even wear and extend their overall lifespan. Most experts recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Cause number 4, aggressive driving habits. Aggressive driving habits, such as hard braking, rapid acceleration, and taking sharp turns, can significantly accelerate tire wear. These actions put excessive stress on the tires, causing them to wear out faster. To optimize tire longevity, it's important to adopt smooth and cautious driving techniques. Practice safe driving habits and avoid sudden stops and starts. Cause number 5, lack of proper tire maintenance. Lastly, improper tire maintenance practices such as neglecting rotating and balancing the tires can also cause premature wear. Neglecting regular tire inspections, failing to rotate tires, and ignoring signs of damage or wear can all contribute to reduced tire lifespan. Make sure to prioritize proper tire maintenance, including regular inspections and prompt repairs. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and have the tires rotated and balanced regularly. Most experts recommend balancing your tires every 6,000 to 12,000 miles. Cause number 6. Poor road conditions. Poor road conditions, such as potholes and rough roads, can cause damage to the tires and lead to premature wear. The remedy for this issue is to drive carefully and avoid rough roads whenever possible. Avoid driving on rough or uneven roads whenever possible. If you must drive on rough or uneven roads, slow down and be careful to avoid potholes and other hazards. And there you have it, the top 6 common causes of premature tire wear and their effective solutions. By addressing these factors and implementing the recommended solutions, you can optimize the longevity of your tires and save money in the long run. Maintaining proper tire inflation, getting wheels aligned, practicing safe driving habits, following a regular maintenance schedule, and avoiding rough roads can help prevent premature tire wear. It is essential to take care of your tires to ensure they last longer and provide a safe driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.